So welcome to my channel Divination 777. So my tongue is a bit slurry because of the meds. So those of who you have already subscribed to my channel, welcome back. Those of who you are new, welcome to my channel. Subscribe and those of who you are new, I just went through a surgery last week and I'm on my meds, so just a little bit slurry, so don't just mind my voice. So in this video, it's a timeless video. Whenever you come across it, it's meant for you. And keep in mind, since it's a general reading, so it may not resonate with everyone. So I'm going to do pick a card reading for you guys. So what you guys have to do is look at these cards, look at the flowers and see which one you're attracted to. This is going to be our pile 1, rose. This is going to be pile 1. Then we have this beautiful white lotus over here. This is going to be our pile 2. And this beautiful yellow flower, this is going to be our pile 3. So take a few seconds and pick a pile. So let's start with our pile 1, the rose pile. So let's see what we have here for you guys. Okay, so what I'm getting is this could be where's my wand? Yeah, so this could be a love situation, family situation, career situation. So take it as it resonates, but mostly I feel it's a love situation. So we have abundance card here. So we have beautiful abundance, and basically this we have abundance card here, then we have courage, then we have trust, and then we have take action. So basically what I'm getting here for you guys is whoever picked this pile. So if this is a love connection, there was someone who walked away from your connection. Basically this is a past person. So either you could have walked away from someone or someone could have walked away from you, and whoever basically walked away in this connection, they walked away because they lacked self-esteem, they lacked self-love. So separation was necessary. Basically shadow work was needed. So those of you don't know what shadow work is, you can look it up in detail on the net. So basically this person who walked away, whoever walked away, lacked self-love. They did not feel worthy of your love, your kindness, whatever abundance you were offering them. So they did not feel worthy of it, and because they had some past trauma, and they had started initially when you guys met and you connected, everything was nice and beautiful, but there you guys triggered their trauma in some way. You triggered their past, or their past got triggered, because it's like, oh my god, am I really getting this? I use a lot of cake examples. So they went like, such a beautiful cake, is that beautiful cake really being handed over to me? This can't be true, this is an illusion. That's how the person who walked away felt. That's how they felt at that time. They started projecting their fears, their doubts, and all this happened because of some past trauma that they had yet to heal from. So that past trauma had started affecting your bond, your connection. So separation was necessary. So this person had to do their shadow work. Now what I'm getting is, this person has done their shadow work, and the message we have for this person is having nostalgia moment now. I miss the time we spent together. So basically this person has finished their shadow work. Now they miss the time they spent with you, and they are trying to gain courage to talk to you. They feel foolish. They feel foolish for treating you the way they did. They feel foolish for, like, they feel foolish for denying their feelings for you, for walking away from the connection. So they feel foolish for doing that. Or you could have done this to someone else, and now you feel foolish. And you guys are trying to gather courage. You guys are trying to gain courage to talk to the person whom you did this to. So now the guidance, like, you are good enough. You are good enough. Communication is the key. These are the two guidance we have from Monology deck. So basic communication is the key. You are good enough. Like I said, this shadow work has been completed, and you guys are good enough. Just gain courage. Basically, gain courage. Just gain courage. Take action. Trust in yourself. Trust in the divine. They have got your back. Communication is the key. You guys are good enough. You are good enough. Don't be a prisoner of your past. Do not let the past affect your present and define your future. Do not be a prisoner of your past. You guys are good enough. Communicate how you feel. Communication is the key to any relationship. Communicate how you feel, and that is going to lead to your abundance. Trust in the divine. Trust the universe. Trust these messages. Trust in yourself. We have Dinah here. Focused intention. It says, think about what you desire. Set your sights high. Expect the best possible outcome. So communicate how you feel. First of all, gather courage. You are good enough. Communicate how you feel. Just visualize the best possible outcome. Focus. Just expect. Just trust. Take action. Communicate and trust that the best possible thing will happen when you communicate how you really feel. So just communication is the key to any relationship. If it's, even if it's a family situation, just take action. Just communicate how you feel. If it's a past person, if it's your parents, if it's your friends, if it's anyone, just communicate how you feel, and just trust in yourself. Trust in the process. Focus on what you want. Just like when I'll give you an example. Like when we are making a cake, and we have, let's just say we have flour and egg, and we like focus when we are mixing the ingredients. Okay, this much, we'll take this much flour and this much and this much, and then we'll mix this, and this is how it will become beautiful. This is how, this is when, this is the kind of action we'll take, that's how the cake will fluff up and it will become very tasty. So similarly, just trust the actions you need to take and expect the best possible outcome. Just visualize the conversation, the feelings that you're going to communicate with your person, and just visualize how they are going to react, and how, even if you guys argue, it's fine. It will, the best possible outcome of that argument, of those feelings, will be abundant. It will be beautiful, it will be abundant, it will lead to a beautiful connection. All the feelings that have been weighing you down and your person down, you guys just communicate with each other. It's fine, arguments are fine when people argue, because they have different opinions, they have different emotions, so arguments happen, so that's okay. So just gather courage, communicate your feelings, how you feel, and listen to the other person who is hurt. Let them say what they feel and work on it. Like you see how Angel is taking action over here, like they're in the horse, they're like charging ahead and literally working to fix the connection. That's what you have to do. When you do that and expect the best possible outcome, you focus and take that action, and you trust in yourself and you trust the divine, you will get a beautiful, healthy relationship. See, this is a medical, if you look closely, it's like a medical health sign. So that's there, and then this beautiful rainbows is there, and then the wealth is there, health is there, and it's just beautiful. It's just abundance. It's abundance. This is the result you'll get if you gather courage and communicate your feelings with the person and take action to fix the connection. So this is what we have for the people who chose pile 1. So really beautiful end result. This is the guidance and the messages I have for you guys. I provide clarity and guidance. The predictions, this abundance, the predictions come true depending on the action you take after watching the video. So we are done with pile 1. Moving on to pile 2 now. So for those who choose beautiful white lotus, pile 2, let's see what we have for you guys. Okay, so this is beautiful. So the messages we have, the first I'll show you, we have success. This could be a career situation, a family situation, a love situation, even with your friends, a health situation. So whatever it is, you will get success. So let's just the messages we have from the universe is, go ahead, we got your back, you are capable, dreams, you're strong, fearless warrior, inspiring others, you are a champion. And the most important message we have here is, don't give up. Don't talk yourself out of it. Now is not the time to do this. Don't give up. See, you are a champion, you are capable, but you guys are like right now in this phase of almost, you guys are almost on the verge of giving up. You're like, okay, oh my god, I have done enough, I have done everything, and I'm sick and tired of this, but I feel, you guys feel stuck, you guys feel stagnant. You're like, you don't see any changes, you feel stuck, so you are like, okay, I'm just going to let it go. No, don't do that. Don't give up. You are not stuck. Whatever you are doing is coming to fruition. All you have to, you are not stuck. You, we have Lord Ganesh is here. So Indians watching this, you know Lord Ganesh, remover of obstacles. And the ones who don't know, Lord Ganesh, he is the remover of obstacles. And he is offering his spiritual support and removing obstacles. So it's not that you are stuck, you are feeling that way, you are put in that situation, you feel stuck, but it is not because of you. Because of you, the universe is working that way. They are making you sit back in one place so that they can remove all the obstacles that are on the path to your success. You have been working a lot on yourself, you have been working a lot. See, what they need, what universe wants you to do right now is, while they are removing the obstacles from your path to success, in whichever area it is, you, for the time being, you need to sit back, recharge and heal. You guys need to work on your health, improving health. We have improving health and nutrition. So all you guys need to do for now is go ahead with your dreams. You are a champion. Don't give up on your dream. Let's just say you're baking a cake, and just when the it's uh, about to, like, just let's just say it's about to, just almost on the verge of finishing, like you set it in the oven and everything, and it's almost like you set it for an hour or so, and now only 2 minutes are left, and you're like, oh, it's not going to turn out, I still don't see it being fluffy and all that, so I'll just let it be, I'll just switch off this thing and let it be. Don't do that. Let those 2 minutes be completed and see the result. See how the cake tastes. See how whether, so what if you can't see the cake getting fluffed up? Just wait for the result. Don't give up. Don't stop now. Don't switch off or power off your oven right now. Just don't give up. All you need to do is work on yourself. You guys need to nutrition card is here. You guys really need to work on your health. You need to improve on your health, because your mental health, your mental imprisonment, your overthinking is affecting your physical health now. So you guys could be, I'm getting this energy of body pains, body aches, sleepless nights. All that is happening because you guys are in your mental prison. Get out of your head. Just eat properly. Just treat, our body is our temple. Health is wealth. So work on your wealth. work on your wealth, work on your health, eat good, stay healthy. That's all you need to do. Rest is being taken care of. Your success, your hard work that you have put in, that is being taken care of. You have done everything you can. You have done everything you can. Everything, all the ingredients and everything is in the place. You have done your work. Now let the universe do their work. For the time being, you sit back and work on yourself, on your health. Provide nutrition to your body. And like I said, don't let your past hold you back. Like I said, get out of your head. You lot of you, all your, like I said, the doubts and fears, they are coming up from your past, because things happened in the past and you are fearing that what if the same thing happens again. It is in the past. It is not going to happen again. Prosperity lies ahead. This is in the past. Is in the past. Let the past go. Don't be a prisoner of your past. Prosperity lies ahead. This abundance, this success lies ahead, whichever area it is, whether it's a family situation or career situation, whatever it is. This lies ahead and the universe is taking care of it. You are a champion. Just work on your health. Just treat yourself well. And also, if you do not treat yourself well, if you ill-treat yourself, how can you expect any other person to treat you well? You are not treating yourself well. That is what you're putting out in the universe then. If you are ill-treating yourself, you are not loving yourself, how can you expect another person to love you or treat you well? So just work on your health. Just sit back, relax. You have done everything. You will get your beautiful tasty cake. All you need to do is take care of yourself, take care of your health, and don't give up and get out of your head. Don't let your past hold you back. Prosperity and success lies ahead. So this is what I have for you guys who choose pile number 2. So I hope this helped you. I really sincerely request to you guys again, please heed the guidance and the message and the clarity that you got from this pile, and your life will just improve. You will see the changes. You will start noticing the changes. Now let's move on to pile 3. So pile 3, beautiful yellow flower we have here. Let's see what we have for our pile 3. Okay, we have oh my god. Wow. So for people who picked pile 1, this is a love situation. This is a love connection. This is twin flame, divine counterpart connection energy. So I also did a previous video where you can check out that video also if you chose this pile. Twin flame union is on the horizon. Let's dive into this first. So we have you guys. You guys are now getting restless. You guys are very intuitive. You know, you guys have been patiently waiting for things to fall back in place. You know that you are dealing with a divine counterpart, with a higher soulmate or a twin flame connection. And you guys, we have the prayer card here. You guys have been praying for things to fall back in place. And you guys are like almost about to let go. Don't. See, you have to understand, you need to remain positive. Your prayers are being heard. Remain positive. Right now is not the right time. It's not the right time. Let things happen. Go with the flow. So, rejection is protection. That phrase really applies here. It's not that you feel that your prayers aren't being heard and things aren't falling back in place, and you are not you're not having reconciliation with your person. It is actually happening because your prayers are being heard. You guys are being protected. There is literally light versus dark, angel versus demon thing is going on. So now is not the right time. See, we have Green Tara over here card, supreme protection. You guys are being protected. This is and the twin flame. See, okay, the message, if you have done this to someone else, so you are feeling this way, or if another person, anyone who walked away wants to say this: I hate myself for treating you badly. If I could, I would turn back time and undo what I did. You are my soulmate. Basically, someone here is coming to the realization of what this connection is. They have realized it's a divine connection, and they will either whoever basically is coming to the realization, you guys will get an opportunity to fix this connection. Your prayers are being heard. You will get an opportunity. Your prayers are being heard. You will get an opportunity. Just remain positive. Right now is not the right time. You are being protected. You are being protected. Your loved ones are being protected. You and your loved ones are safe. So we have Fury Climax Full Moon. So basically, you will be presented with this opportunity during the full moon. We have full moon on 24th, or whenever you come across this video. If you come across this video, and whenever the next full moon is supposed to happen, you will get this opportunity, since it's a timeless guidance. So you will get this opportunity. You will have this opportunity. Just patience is the key. Patience is the key to everything. You need to trust the process. See, twin flame is not a journey for the faint of heart. Okay, so you guys have been positive, strong all along. You guys have endured a lot, and here's someone who is going to get opportunity to fix, who has come to a realization what this connection is. Don't worry, you have supreme protection. You and your loved ones are safe. If someone is holding you back, if let's just say sometimes some for some of you I'm getting, if you guys are in a connection, you are committed to someone, and that person is either emotionally blackmailing you or blackmailing you with your some secret. It could be a family member, any karmic person. Let's just say there's a karmic person around you. Karmic could be a family member, a friend, or a person you are in a commitment with, and you have realized that that's a karmic toxic person, and you want to walk away from them, and you want to go to your beautiful, you want to go to your beautiful love connection, you want to go to your divine counterpart, your higher soulmate, you have realized, but you are scared because this person is blackmailing you with whatever they have on you. Don't worry, you are protected. Green Tara Goddess is there with you. You have supreme protection. You and your loved ones are safe, and this goes for both of you. See, we have light versus dark, angel versus demon. Light always shines brighter. It van it always kills the darkness. Angels always win. Angels are supreme. Demons always lose. People with bad intentions always lose. They will never ever be successful. You guys are protected. So basically, earlier separation was necessary because it wasn't the right time for you. You guys had to work on yourselves, both of you. Both of you, separation was necessary because there were a lot of karmic people trying to, they tried to pull you guys apart, and because it's like, let's just say somebody saw the potential, or somebody saw like, oh, what a beautiful cake it is. Let's just say they saw a 5-story cake and they're like, oh my god, it is so beautiful, I want it, and they snatched it. But they could do it, they snatched it, and they were happy about it. And initially, like, okay, I got what I wanted, but then again, it's divine connection, and divine interfered, and spiritual awakening happened. They awakened whoever the person who got manipulated by the other person, whoever, basically the third person who interfered. One of you, whoever walked away, is now awakened to this connection, was awakened to the connection, and now you guys really hate yourselves for treating your person that way, because now you realize what it is. But just remain positive. Here the guidance would be, you will get an opportunity around full moon. Communicate with your person, be honest about your feelings, and know that you are supremely protected. Whoever is trying to stop you, don't let them hold you back. You are protected. They will not succeed. You are protected. Your loved ones are safe. Climax, we have like climax is here. So just express yourself to your person whom you're missing. Basically, I am getting for you guys are actually in a connection with someone, and you are not fulfilled in this connection because you know who your person is and who you want, and you feel stuck and you want to get out of there, but you are afraid because this person has something on you, and they are blackmailing you. Just know that they are not going to succeed. You are going, remain positive, you are going to get an opportunity to get out of this. You are protected. Move ahead, take action, express yourself. You and your loved ones are safe. You will get an opportunity, you will be presented with an opportunity around the full moon. Just take this opportunity and bring this back together. Bring your divine connection. You guys are soulmates. You guys are higher soulmates, twin flames, divine counterparts. You guys are going to come back together. Don't let fear hold you back. Release the power of fear. Any obstacles that are there will be removed. Nobody, if someone is playing mind games with you that they'll reveal this, whatever secret or whatever they have on you, just tell them, okay, fine, go ahead, tell everyone. Just be courageous, be bold. Okay, fine, tell everyone. Let them do what they want. Just do not give into their just do not give into their blackmailing stuff. You are protected. I'm just going around in circles repeating the same thing again and again, because that's how your energy is. That's how you guys are. You guys are stuck in your head like hell. You are stuck AF in your head, and you're trying to analyze and trying to find out ways to get out of where you are right now. You are protected. You will be given an opportunity. When you get this opportunity around the full moon, take it, and do not be afraid of whatever blackmail or whatever the person, your karmic person has on you. They will not succeed. You are protected, your loved ones are protected. Nothing is going to crash. No harm will be done to you. So that's what I have for the guys who chose, for the people who chose pile number 1. So I hope my guidances and clarity helped you guys. So please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so that you know whenever my videos are uploaded, and like my videos. And if you like my videos, if it resonated with you, comment down below. Liking my videos helps these videos to reach out to other people as well. And if you just saw this for entertainment purpose and you feel there is someone in your surrounding going through such a situation, share this video with them. Just help people, spread love, help people around you. Just share it with people. And if you guys need a personal reading from me, you can DM me on my Instagram, or you can mail me. All the details will be given in the description box down below. And you can follow me on my Instagram page. I put up daily guidances over there. So and the timestamps will also be given in the description box down below of all the piles. So lots of love, light, healing to all of you. Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. Love and light to all my beautiful souls.